this giant hole. Hold on. Oh. Look how giant that is. I hope nothing's broken. I don't feel like returning this. So, I bought something. And we're gonna unbox it. And build it. And by we, I mean me and my cat. I bought this for her, so she better be grateful. Let me show you what it is. I bought her a little cat condo. Isn't that cute? Okay, how do I open this? Thing is so heavy, it's actually crazy. Let me grab my keys. Which way is a good way to... That was loud. Okay. Can I open it? This way?
2 hours later.
Look at this. There's so many parts. Actually, you can't really see very well. It'll be okay. This is it. This is what I'm building. Okay. Who needs this? Okay, I actually do need that. It's like they put it in like a goodie bag. A gift. Wait, can I do it as... Should I take... Look at this. Looks so crappy. Where can I place you? Don't fall. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm struggling. Supposedly, this box, you can cut it and tape it. It tells you how to do it. You can make its own little home in the box. Like, it turns into a little cat house. So, we'll see how well I can actually make that happen, because I'm already struggling with the directions that they give me. What am I looking for? Where's the directions? Oh boy. Oh, there it is. Ow. Okay. I'm confident that I can do this. Yeah. We need this little bag. There we go. Tell you how lost I would be. Okay. Definitely need this, right? No. Oh. Embarrassing. Put it on there. I don't think it matters. Let's hope it doesn't matter. Does it come with a little tool to use? I don't see one. How do they want me to put this on here without a little tool? Got the base figured out. Hop up here and say hello. Oh, goodness girly. This is Sebastian. Sebastian, say hey. What are we supposed to do? How is this supposed to work? Okay, yeah, it seems pretty self-explanatory to me. Thingy on Sebastian? Sebastian? Go here. I got you, girly. Don't look at the light. Are you an idiot? Girly pop. She's a little slow. Stop looking at the light. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to be a little bit dark because my cat doesn't know the difference between trying not to blind herself and playing with the toy. Cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we have to figure out what I'm doing next. This. Okay, I can do that. That's pretty simple. This whole thing almost fell on top of Sebastian. Sebastian? I did tell you. I warned you to. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna crash. Oh my god. Okay. Sebastian, here. Get rid of this thing. Put this in its place. And now you can play. Come, jump. Play with the hammock-like structure. I lose the tool every 2 seconds. Stop eating the instructions. I think there's something wrong with my cat. Do you know where the tool went? Did you take it? Stop eating it. I'm no joke, she was eating it. Oh, the lighting's really blurry. Okay. Try this again.
2 hours later.
It's just fun to edit and make videos. Alright. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. Okay. This is not as bad. Did I do this right? 2 of these and 1 of these. We're running out of these, so hopefully we don't need too many of these. 4, and it's really exhilarating. So exhilarating. Okay, so it's having me do a whole nother thing above here. So I'm gonna have to set you. New angle. Ow. Shucks. Alright. And we're gonna put it together in like super duper time speed. Look how cool this is looking. Rad. Alright, we're gonna turn this way. It's a little shaky. Let's move this into place. Oh my gosh. It's a slight problem. This is it. But my problem is that my door opens to there. It leaves me a good amount of space to get in and out, but do I want to struggle that much? Yeah. Isn't it cute though? We got the hammock, and we got this little hidey hole thing that goes around this side. And we got this hidey hole, and we got this thing. Some beds. Sebastian, you're so cute. Sebby. Tiku tiku. Can I show you your new house? Well, she doesn't seem to care right now, but she will eventually, I hope. But that is all for today's video. Yeah, be fine.